So we are back visiting the USS Yorktown in Charleston. This is our second time around, and we've paid our parking, a little bit over $21 for more than 3 hours. And we're packing up, packing our backpack, and then we'll head over there. Entrance fee, we paid it online, $28 per adult. Gives you access to the USS Yorktown. What is the other ship's name?
I forgot about it.
Yeah, another destroyer that's sitting next to her. The Vietnam War Memorial and something else. So we'll check it out. Last time we were here, we did not have enough time. It's because we had family with us and different plans for the rest of the day. Today we have set aside the entire day to just go and explore the USS Yorktown. All right, let's go. Okay, we're back at Patriots Point to visit the USS Yorktown again. We were here about two and a half years ago.
About
and didn't spend enough time to explore, so we're coming back. It's a lovely day today in Charleston, and paid our parking. Parking was about $21 and then some for the whole day, and then entrance fee is $28 for an adult, so we're trying to make the most out of it. Gotta make room for these guys.
But Destin, that's cool. I went there for college for like spring break. We all went there for spring break.
And it's a Wednesday morning, and there's quite a few people here. Didn't expect that. So the $28 entrance fee actually gives you access to the USS Yorktown, the USS Lafayette over here. We've just been to the Vietnam Memorial experience. That was quite interesting. So yeah, you could literally hang out the whole day here. Well worth the money. Okay, so last time we were here, we took a guided tour. This time around, we're trying to do the self-guided sort. They have 4 tours here. You see like these black and lime color signs here on the ceiling. We're trying to start with tour 1, head it all the way down there, and see where that gets us. Gotta be super careful with these narrow steps. Okay. Ship's chapel. This is the library. Now I wonder, could these possibly be, they're not original books from the ship, right? Are they?
Hard to tell.
I mean, they
Could
have
be.
all the time appropriate stuff here. Mark Twain, some Dickens. Oh, here, Gone with the Wind, Margaret Mitchell. Uh-huh. Tour 1. Oh. Washroom. Okay.
Wow, is that sound like something happened? So we see a torpedo here.
a lot of cables.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so this is a torpedo elevator, and this is the actual torpedo. So the idea is that this is lifted up to the flight deck. This whole thing is elevated.
Well, it certainly comes down from down there to keep it safe.
Okay.
I don't see access to the flight deck directly on top of it. There's nothing. What's interesting, all these electronic inside.
Yeah, lots of cables.
Yeah, probably fits all on one small microchip now. Alright, here we can see the torpedo workshop. Pretty scary room, I guess so.
Okay, so this is where the crew would have slept.
A part of the
Crew, yeah. Crew berths. Can you imagine?
There's no privacy, nothing.
I mean, they're not even really big. You'd barely fit on there. Okay, down to the third deck. I'm getting careful on these narrow and very steep steps. This is the, well, vegetable preparation room, it says. So the kitchen must be close. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, ship's laundry is over there.
That's 3,500 people here.
Yeah, 4 meals a day for 3,500 people.
Just question the number.
Where do they put all those provisions? I don't know. Where?
That's the machine shop here. Oh, probably one of the machine shops. Look at the prices over there.
I know, I saw that. Ice cream, 35 cents.
What's a hot dog? 20?
20? Crew mess. $3,500 men on this vessel. Holy moly.
Oh, you need a haircut?
No, I don't. You need a shave?
Yeah, maybe I should.
And this would be my favorite, not so favorite area, the dental department. Dental ward is what it's called, dental ward. Do you remember the spitball when going to the dentist back in the day?
Yeah, back in the days. Well, they still have those spitballs, they're just looking different.
Gee. Well,
Oh, look at this X-ray machine.
wait, where?
This,
This is an.
yeah, that's an old X-ray.
It's really tight here.
Yes, it is. So it looks like this is one of the turbines here.
Let me squeeze through. Can you imagine the noise level in here and how hot it would be? I think a sign there said it would be up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in here. It's insane.
Yeah, that's insane.
I don't know what this controls, but it says main control. Main
Wow.
control room. It controls everything.
Yeah, that was probably the idea.
The idea
Why it
is
must
if-
control everything.
I don't know, like,
It looks really confusing.
it looks
but,
confusing to me, yeah.
Well, what they did, they generated steam, and then the steam went through a turbine, and that was what's moving the props.
Wow.
Here we see the communication system, probably.
Well, this is the ready room. That's what they call it. I guess they get all their briefings in here.
Yeah, that was the plan. That's the air traffic control center.
Combat Information Center. All right, let's go find a flight deck.
Where are we here, Yvonne?
Well, this is the flight deck of the USS Yorktown, don't you know? It's Charleston downtown, right behind you.
Well, how do you feel as a new captain of the USS Yorktown?
You know, first day on the job here, and like, I cannot imagine.
It's a cool view on flight deck.